All right, we're gonna kick off this video by removing all these windows and doors. I temporarily put them in, but now it's time for them to come out so I can finish the flashing details. We're gonna start on these doors and put in these copper door pans. So this doorway right here for the front entry already has the zip stretch tape inside it, but I'm gonna take it a step further and install a copper door pan. That way, if any wind-driven rain or any water does make its way inside, it'll be caught by the drain pan and it can escape out through the front. So it's really important to remember, this door has an aluminum sill to it, and this copper door pan reacts very badly to aluminum. These two dissimilar metals combined with one another, one of them will rot out. So I'm gonna use this insulation to roll underneath the pan, creating a barrier between the two.
And when you side it, you're gonna space your bottoms like they did in the old style. You're gonna put a cedar siding or something on it, right?
No, I'm doing vinyl.
Huh?
I'm doing vinyl.
You're doing vinyl?
Mm-hmm.
What color?
White, I think. We'll see. Still up in the air.
I don't think it'll clash.
With the price of cedar right now, I don't know if that's in the budget. Just keep me in the frame. And get my good side, you know? We don't want the people at home to think I'm too ugly. Boom, cut that right in. Perfect. All right, let's pop this door back in. Let me get my side up off the ground too. Let's lift it again. Yep.
What's this power outside here for? Lighted mailbox?
No, for just outlets.
Just an outlet.
Rachel loves decorating for Christmas, so you know we need lots of exterior outlets.
I can't get over these soffits though. So impressed.
Always add extra exterior outlets so your wife can make you decorate for Christmas.
Yes, yes. Rudolph must have a leaded nose.
Nobody wants to be that guy with 1,000 extension cords running around his house. So this door came with some instructions on how to install it. I'll show you what we do with those.
Yeah.
Put that in the trash? No.
Wipe my ass.
Oh, isn't that a fancy little
I know, huh?
strike plate?
Get the extra.
For $1,000. I hope it comes with some extra.
Everything's $1,000.
Right to me. I just had to put those temp stairs in, didn't I? If you guys are enjoying this video, do me a favor, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe. We don't want you to miss out on anything. All right, let's get back to it. If you've ever done a job and you think you bought enough zip tape, go out and buy 10 more rolls and you still won't have enough. I want you guys' opinion on something. On the front of the house, I'm going to do your typical vinyl siding, white. And on the gable ends, I was thinking about doing a vertical board and batten vinyl siding. Think that'll look good? Let me know in the comments. My God. Oh, that was a struggle. My ladder was too far away. All right, let's go inside. Level this one off too. I can't believe it. After the last 2 months, today's like 52 degrees out. It feels like summertime, minus all this gross white snow everywhere. So if you've noticed on this exterior sheathing, I went around afterwards and used liquid Z-Flash on all these nail heads. Now this isn't required, but if you go too deep with your framing nail into this plywood sheathing, it damages the exterior waterproofing. So it's just easy enough to go back afterwards and throw some liquid Z-Flash on there. You'll never have an issue for water on your nail heads after that. These windows I ordered from Harvey's actually have a built-in J channel, which is pretty nice. So what you see here will be the exterior trim on them. I don't nail or do caulking on the bottom of these windows. I won't even tape them. These are weep holes, so if any water does get inside or condensation in between the glass, it weeps out of these two drain holes. Now, if for some reason water got in on top or on the side here, and it gets inside this windowsill, I don't want it trapped in there. I want it to be able to come out the bottom of this windowsill, and at least then it would go down the zip sheathing and drain out. You never want to trap water. What do you guys think? Should I do 2 lights above these windows? I think that'd look pretty nice. A little up in the air about it, but I do think it would look pretty nice. Let me know in the comments. Also, when it comes to taping these, you want to go directional. What I mean by that is you want to go with how the water would move. So you're going to start on the side and then you're going to come across the top. That way you don't have reverse laps on it essentially. I talked a lot of crap about these ladders, but a buddy of mine had one and I used it, and you can't do this with a step ladder. This thing's pretty clutch. And again, always remember, on your plywood side, roll your zip tape. There's these little metal Z's on this roller, and it imprints on the zip tape. And if you don't roll it and you have a warranty issue, Hubert, they'll void your warranty because you didn't roll your tape. So roll your tape with their roller. before I cover it up, you see that pink stuff in between my header? That's a 2-inch R10 polyiso board. There's a lot of thermal bridging in headers, and you lose a lot of heat through these things, believe it or not. You actually lose a lot of heat from all your lumber. That's why a lot of people are starting to move towards exterior insulation. But if you're looking for a cool way to make a header, you know, there it is. I finished up all the windows today. Like I said, I ran out of zip tape. Never have enough of that stuff. So yeah, tomorrow morning we'll pick up where we left off. See you then.